So, we've got two major objectives when we do site diaries. The most important is record keeping. The second is data for reporting and analytics. Shape now has a feature that guides the shift reporting author toward a high-quality, complete site diary to assure that their document is published in accordance with good practice in both areas. The quality indicator is found at the top right of the edit screen with a progress bar and classification. When you click on the bar, a menu appears showing all the fields that need to be filled in order to build up the document towards completeness. We can see right from the outset that our diary is not useful since it only has one field. We'll have to create a report title, describe the weather of the day, and log either progress or downtime, since without that, we won't be describing anything that happened. We'll now fill in the top-level detail about this shift report, starting with the title, and then go all the way to describe the weather. At the end of this section, we check the indicator, and we see that progress is still needed to class this as a basic shift report. Here we record progress achieved during one shift of drainage works. We'll record two separate activities here. One item will describe laying of drain pipe, and the other will represent trench excavation. We can also record a delay to works which was incurred due to rain. We link the delay to an existing issue used to track the impact of a certain rain event. We record that 4 hours are lost because our drainage team were diverted away from productive work to doing trench stabilisation. Now we can see that the basics have been captured about this shift, where we've logged our progress and delays, as well as the minimum data describing the shift. We can use this as a statement about the facts, but we can do a lot better than that. Adding a person is as simple as recording their name, company and role, and the number of hours they spent in the shift. We'll add 3 people and then recheck our score. Now, we see that the requirement to record people's time has been satisfied. We should move on to the next resource utilisation section, where we capture equipment hours. We'll add the excavator being used for the drainage works. Here we record one 30-ton excavator in use for 9 hours. Now, with equipment recorded for the shift, we can move on to the last resource to record, which is done in the materials section. We'll record the reinforced concrete pipe installed, and its quantity, and the granular fill material for the pipe bedding layer. After recording items in all of the resources sections, we are getting quite close to having a comprehensive site diary. We've recorded our progress, a delay, and all the people, equipment and materials used in our works. If we want to enhance the record-keeping value, we'll substantiate our progress and delay records. Rather than uploading, we can attach images that we have in our project gallery that auto-synchronize from site-based users who use the Shape Channels app to coordinate the works and gather information. You can check out the benefits and uses of that app in some of our other videos. We have pipe laying photos, some images showing the trench excavation works, and on the downtime item, we attach a picture proving that the site was a washout. Now we have quite a complete shift record, with well-evidenced records of progress and delay, and capture of our resources utilised. But if we want the chance to analyse the productivity of our works, or use the record to build up a variation quotation, we need to allocate our resources to the works, or delay. On every resource time, there are buttons at the top which let you allocate the time or material to works, or downtime. We can create multiple allocations of each resource. We can see a labourer having hours allocated to trench excavation, pipe laying and to the downtime item from the rain delay. Now that we've done our resource allocation, we see that we have a comprehensive diary with full marks. This report is ready to publish, and so we'll go ahead do that, and we'll be emailed our final report. We can see our final result at the top of the report and check it against the Shape Diary Comprehensiveness Scale. To be sure, this value is only being used to guide the author. It won't be visible in the final PDF report. We can also go to our main shift reports lists and make sure we are keeping the completeness of our site diaries up to scratch. Each site diary in the manager view shows its achieved quality score. This feature is intended to give a PM the ability to stay on top of record-keeping standards in one place. So, to round off, record-keeping and good daily data collection is critical in fast-paced modern construction projects. Construction teams who gather accurate, substantiated facts about the progress of works and of delays encountered make life easier when making claims to the client. Teams who capture accurate progress and resource utilization progressively make it easier to analyze and report on performance.